Galaxy AI Plus S Pen, the ultimate tool for digital art and productivity. Why use Drawing Assist on a Samsung Galaxy phone? Samsung Galaxy phones, especially those with S Pen support like the Galaxy S Ultra series, come with Drawing Assist features that enhance digital art and note-taking. Here's why you should use it. Sketch-to-image transformation. It allows you to take rough sketches and turn them into more refined, stylized images. This can be incredibly helpful for creative individuals who want to explore different artistic styles. You can choose from various styles like watercolor, illustrations, pop art, and more. Enhanced creative expression. It expands your creative possibilities by bridging the gap between simple sketches and polished artwork. This can be very helpful for people who have ideas but lack advanced drawing skills. Increased efficiency. Instead of spending a lot of time on detailed drawings, you can quickly create a basic sketch and let the AI generate a more elaborate version. Integration with Galaxy AI. The Drawing Assist feature is part of the Galaxy AI suite, which allows for the phone to utilize AI in many different ways. It also allows for the combination of different inputs, such as text prompts and photo manipulation along with the user's drawings. Please note, make sure you are signed into your Samsung account to use this feature. Images generated by AI will display an AI watermark in the bottom left corner. Your drawings are sent to a server when generating them as images. The transmitted data is processed for the purpose of providing the feature and is not stored by Samsung. This guide is based on One UI 6.1.1, and feature support may vary depending on your model and software version. Drawing Assist is available on the S25 series, S24 series, S23 series, S22 series, Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Tab S10 series, Tab S9 series, Tab S8 series. How to set up Drawing Assist. To use the Drawing Assist feature, enable it in Settings. It will also activate when you run the Sketch-to-Image app. If you wish not to use this feature, turn it off in Settings. Open Settings. Tap Galaxy AI. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap the switch to On. AI Drawing with Air Command and the S Pen. Remove the S Pen, and then tap the Air Command icon to open the Air Command menu. Tap Drawing Assist or Sketch to Image, and then start drawing on the screen. Select from watercolor, illustrations, pencil sketch, 3D cartoon, or pop art at the bottom of the screen. Depending on your device, you may need to tap the drop-down menu first. Your selection will impact the artwork that is generated. When you're finished drawing, tap Generate. Several AI-generated images will appear. Swipe left and right to find your favorite. You can use the options at the top of the screen to save the image, share the image, or redo your drawing. AI Drawing with Smart Select. Smart Select with AI Drawing Assist lets you select anything on your screen and sketch in an AI-generated image. To begin, swipe left on the Edge panel handle on the right side of the screen, and then tap AI Select or Smart Select at the top. Tap something on your screen, such as a photo. Then, tap Sketch to Image. Use the S Pen or your finger to draw on the image. You can change colors with the pencil, erase with the eraser, undo or redo with the arrows, restart your drawing, save or share the image, and adjust transparency with layers. The three-dot menu offers Minimize, Copy, and Settings. Tap Close to exit Sketch to Image. Choose a style from the drop-down, and then tap Generate. Several AI-generated images will appear. Swipe left and right to find your favorite. You can use the options to save the image, share the image, or redo your drawing. AI Drawing with Samsung Notes. You can use AI Drawing with the Samsung Notes app if you'd like to add a fun sketch or doodle to your notes. Navigate to and open the Samsung Notes app, and then either start a new note by tapping Create Note the pencil icon or open an existing note. Begin drawing in a blank spot on the note using the S Pen or your finger. When you're finished drawing, tap the Notes Assist icon, the 3 stars on the toolbar, and then tap Sketch to Image. Trace around your drawing to select it. You can tap the drop-down menu in the bottom right to select from watercolor, illustrations, pencil sketch, 3D cartoon, and pop art. Your selection will impact the artwork that is generated. Tap Generate. Several AI-generated images will appear. Swipe left and right to find your favorite. Tap Copy to copy the image to your device's clipboard. Tap Add to Note to add the image to your note. And tap Replace to replace a section of the note with your image. If you've added the image to your note, you can move it around by touching and dragging it. Then tap back to save the note. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to stay updated on future content.